Moose. People use AI safely. I wanted to see what happens when you don't. AI is powerful, but most beginners only use it for simple things, so I decided to test AI in a way most people are scared to try. No fancy setup, no expertise, just real use. I let AI make decisions instead of me. Examples show visually. Don't list all. How to write, how to edit, how to plan. I didn't correct it. I didn't overthink it. That felt uncomfortable. Here's what surprised me. Observation number 1. I wasn't perfect, but it was fast and speed changed everything. Observation number 2. The more I trusted AI, the clearer my own thinking became. That part shocked me, but here's the scary truth. AI didn't fail because it's weak. It failed when my instructions were lazy. That's the real risk. AI doesn't replace you. It exposes how you think. When you're clear, AI feels powerful. When you're not, it feels dangerous. If you want honest AI experiments, not hype, this channel is for you. Subscribe. I'm testing AI so you don't have to.